Hello, Mr. Gunawan. This is me, Alexa Kylla, and I'm from English subject class E. So today I will tell you about my unforgettable moment. So I have a lot of unforgettable moments during my life. Maybe I will give you a few unforgettable moments of my life. Okay, let's start. Okay, the first one. First, let me tell you about my experience or my unforgettable moment in elementary school. So, in my third grade in elementary school, I joined the marching band, and I and my team will take a part in the provincial level competition. So I followed the training for 1 year, and it was tired and fun at the same time because uh, 2 days before the competition we did a rehearsal at 2 o'clock in the morning. Can you imagine 2 o'clock in the morning? It's so very tired and a little bit crazy because we rehearsal in 2 o'clock in the morning. But you know what, we won a second place. Yeah. Second place I think is a good one because it's my first competition in my life. I'm so was very grateful I could get a second place. I think it was a miracle for me. And you know what, I have a video when I competed at the time. Do you want to see it, Mr.? Okay, I'm gonna give you a clip for my competition. Look at that. Yeah, that is when I'm elementary school, and it's me. And look at that. It's me. It's me, and it's me. It's cool, right? It was at the time. It's so cool and so pretty. Yeah, it's my first unforgettable moment in my life. So let's go. That's it. My unforgettable moment. A few, not all. If I can tell you all my unforgettable moment, it's gonna take I'm sorry, it's gonna take like 1 hours or maybe 1 days. So that's it for me. Thank you. Bye.